Hello, my dear friends. With other occasion, I have been talking, generally speaking, about the midpoints, how we can use them in astrology. But now I will start a serial about each important midpoint to understand more specific the nature of these midpoints and how we can use it. And I will start with the Sun and Moon midpoint. The Sun and the Moon show the direction and focus of your personal awareness. Here is where you show your understanding for others. Your desire to increase your authority, popularity, or sensitivity starts here. These energies show how you develop your vitality for the central themes of your life. Your enthusiasm when adapting your daily routines to the needs of others, and the ups and downs you have in your creative flow. Your enjoyment for seeking and gaining public popularity or in being noticed by other people. The sensitivity you bring to your decision-making processes. These points also emphasize any weakness or awareness you feel when you receive honor or recognition. Your delight with romantic episodes and the commitment or importance you give to your soul or spiritual life. The attention you place on whatever is important to you in life, your family and or home situation, your desire to extend protection to yourself or your family, efforts to make yourself more acceptable. Your lack of will or enthusiasm shown when caring about others. Any personal awkward situation or lack of concern is shown through the way you live. Your unfulfilled demands for public acceptance or popularity. In your relationships, this midpoint, it's about the approval you give or receive to or with another. Variations in your confidence or self-image which affect relationships, the influence you exert over your partner or the otherwise, your desire for companionship. Also, it shows a lack of will to fulfill the social rituals needed to maintain your relationships, not caring about the quality of your life with others, feelings that your friends do not seriously take you into their confidence. When it's about the body and mind, it's about chemical, pH, and mineral balances within the body, sensitivity to drugs, pressure near the heart, overall health and stamina. Colds, when it's about politics or business, how the will of the people is applied to taking the country into new or important directions. The international reputation of a country, because also we can read a chart of a country. The national will forcefully imposed by the leadership of the country. A loss of faith in international politics. Smears on the national reputation. Let's see how this midpoint, Sun Moon Midpoint, it's working with planets and points. With Mercury, using your education and reasoning to progress through life, absorbing the various lessons of life, increases your search for opportunities, applying your knowledge to the different situations you meet in life. With Venus, developing your skills or appreciation for the fine arts or music. Increase gratitude for the efforts of others. Admiration from others for your talents. Helps you become more calm and relaxation in your personal life. With Mars, becoming more self-reliant. Strengthen personal drive and initiative. A need to impose your will on others. Situation where you may force or push others for quicker progress. Topics involving anger, a focus on strength. Jupiter, taking too many directions at once, developing a philosophy for living and coping with life situations, seeing opportunities which you use to advantage, developing a better philosophy with Saturn, increase personal discipline and work habits, determination to motivate yourself to work consistently and steadily to achieve results, helps you mold your fate, increases restrictions on your ability to progress in life. With Uranus, setting yourself aside from the ordinary or mundane, applying ingenuity to complete goals, or create new ways of revealing old ideas, unusual twist or fate or turns to life, encourages the use of astrological ideas with Neptune, realizing the importance of thinking through your plans and ideas about life, dreaming about the options open to you for redirecting your life or plans, delusions about what you can do or how hard you will work to do it. With Pluto, focusing your attention on your own plans or goals, secrecy about the care or concern you are willing to show to family, making startling new plans for enhancing the overall quality of your life, drastic measures to protect self. With nodes, creating the methods or procedures others need for their personal fulfillment, making sexual appraisals of others, gathering cooperation from people or groups to help yourself with your aim and purposes. With ascendant, focusing on the immediate needs of your home or family, noticing the role people play in your life, an ability to know the thoughts of those close to you, your awareness of how you meet and accept others in your life. With MC, choosing the deliberate path for personal development, growing or developing through associations with your family or the general public, gaining perspective on your life or life's direction. When it's about Sun and Moon itself, with Sun helps you focus on the efforts you put into daily events, emphasizes the popularity and fame you achieve through your basic interest, the concern you devote to the quality of your soul growth. Moon, increased need to express care or bring relief to important people in your life, women who help you determine your life's purpose, the watchfulness of protection you extend to your home, family, or values in life. And let's see significant examples of people and events using Sun and Moon midpoint. For example, strong Sun and Moon midpoints have Bob Dylan, John Glenn, George Patton. A weak midpoint Sun Moon have Hermann Goering, John Dillinger, and J. Krishnamurti. When it's about events, important ones, George Washington's inauguration, Alaska earthquake, Apollo 11 moon landing. When it's about Sun and Moon, Enrico Caruso, Maurice Ravel, Olivia Newton-John. When it's about Mercury, Lord Byron, Lincoln. When it's about Venus, Olivia Newton-John, Marlon Brando. When it's about Mars, Jimmy Carter, Schwarzenegger. When it's about Jupiter, Sean Connery. When it's about Saturn, John F. Kennedy. When it's about Uranus, Audrey Hepburn, Ernest Hemingway. When it's about Neptune, Muhammad Ali. When it's about nodes, Laurence Olivier. When it's about ascendant, Thomas Huxley, Lord Byron. When it's about MC, A.G. Wells, Claude Debussy. Where do you have your midpoint in your natal chart? I will let you the link where you can find very easily, due to your natal chart birth date and everything, and how you can calculate very easy this midpoint. Until next time, I wish all the best. I'm waiting your questions and comments down below. Bye bye.